Okay, the objective of this video is to show you how I made my tailgate on my utility trailer go up and down automatically using a winch. So the first step, obviously, was I had to install the winch. So I made these brackets with the winch. I have the area for the battery and the electronics. It's a remote control winch. I also made this device here. This will enable me to run the cable from the winch and get it to run under the trailer. If I want to use the winch for a other purpose, I can squeeze the cable through here. And I've also added a pulley type mechanism here at the top in case I need to have a higher lift. So the cable will run underneath the trailer. Somewhere in the middle, you'll have this device that I made. Not sure if you understand. It will be mounted to the bottom here in the middle. The plate at the bottom is so if there's slack in the cable will not come off the pulleys. From this device here, the cables run either way. The cables will then go to this other little thing. Here's the pulley here. And it will go from here to the gate. There'll be some type of a turnbuckle. And then I think I'm going to put a hook, just in case for some reason the winch fails, I can unhook it and, lower and raise the tailgate manually. The only part I have to come up with now is a way to I need the cable will run through this square tubing. It'll go over that pulley. It will come down inside of the square tubing and come down through the bottom. But I need it to shoot to the middle, back in that area, to that other device I showed you. So I have to come up with a way to put up a pulley system to guide the cable. I haven't made that yet. I just thought I would make a quick video and see how it comes out. Hopefully, when I get the other part made, I will make the video showing the other part that I'm going to make. And I will show you it before I actually install it. It's hard to film under this. There's not much room. I'm pretty confident it's going to work. You never know. If it doesn't work, you're not going to see the video anyway, so whatever. But anyway, so between those two uprights that I put, you got this one here and you get an identical one on the other side. They will meet in that other pulley system I showed you. The cable will go up. I'm hoping that the pulley, the dual cables will go and end up back up here close to where the winch is going to be. So in other words, when the gate is up, I want the hook to be just right up in this area here where I can easily reach it and actually unhook that system in case I want to use the winch for an alternate purpose, such as dragging a broken mower on the trailer, or maybe dragging a downed tree or something to that effect onto the trailer. So after this point, the editing is going to be bad because I'm going to show you the other parts that I make, that I spoke of, that I haven't made yet. And then the editing will be bad again, showing you it actually worked. I made two of these devices here that guide the pulleys up the shaft going to the tailgate assembly. And the metal there you see that is hiding the cable, that's just to hold the cable onto the pulley in case there is slack. All the pulleys have that type of preventative measure to them. This is the pulley in the front. You notice the pin is in place now which will keep the cable on that pulley in case there is slack in the cable. The back section of the trailer, I decided to run the double cable through a PVC pipe. This right here is the axle, which will vary its distance from the bottom of the trailer depending on what is on the trailer. And I just did not want to damage the cable by rubbing against it. And that pipe goes all the way back to where that dual pulley section splits it to go to the uprights. I had to add these PVC pieces of pipe over the angles on the bottom of the trailer. When the tailgate would go down or then come back up, the hook assembly here where the winch connects to the system would get hung up on these angle irons. So I just took a piece of PVC pipe and cut it down to about 2/3 and just attached it to the bottom of the trailer with these straps. As you can see, it's pretty strong.